morning, a fox was following his sharp nose through the woods, searching for a bite to eat. As he wandered around the forest, he smelled something uniquely delicious. As he followed the smell, he saw a crow on the branch of a tree. It was by no means the first crow the fox had ever seen, and he was not looking forward to eating the crow. However, what caught his attention and made him stop for a second look was that the crow held a piece of fresh bread in his beak. No need to look any further. Here is a dainty bite for my breakfast, thought the silly fox. The fox dashed to the footstool of the tree in which the crow was sitting, and looking up admiringly, he cried, "Good morning, beautiful creature." The crow watched the fox suspiciously and kept her beak tightly closed on the piece of bread and did not return his greeting. "What a magnificent creature she is," said the fox. "What a spectacular form! Look how her feathers shine, and what majestic wings! Such a marvelous bird should have a very melodious voice, since everything else about her is so perfect. I wonder if she could sing just one song, then I shall hail her the queen of all birds." The fox flattery caught the crow, and she forgot all her suspicion and also her breakfast. She very much wanted to be called the queen of all birds, so she opened her beak wide to utter her best caw, and down fell the cheese straight into Fox's open mouth. "Thank you," said the silly fox as he walked off. "You have a voice, sure enough, but where are your wits?" Moral: do not get carried away by flattery.